Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to slow down the speed of an audiobook on Audible when you're listening to it on the mobile app. And basically I've got the iPhone right here, but it's the exact same on an Android app for Audible. And basically I've logged in and I'm listening to this book, Brain Over Binge. It's got a little play section at the bottom that you can press and open, and now you can see a lot more options. Basically on the bottom left there's a 2.0x speed section. Press in there. And this is going to give you the option to either slow down or speed up the voice of your audiobook on Audible. So you can slow it all the way down to half speed, 0.5x, or you can speed it all the way up until you hit 3.5x speed. Also as well, you can see a minus symbol on the left-hand side. If you click that, it's going to decrease the speed by 0.05 increments. Or you can press the plus symbol on the right hand side and it's going to increase the speed by 0.05 increments as well. And on the bottom row, there's some buttons, some pre-selected default buttons. You can press those, go all the way up to 2.0 speed or all the way down to 0.7 speed for a lot faster changing of speed on the Audible app. So guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below as well. Thanks very much.